Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the PIKA effect with PIKA 2.1. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for PIKA. Then click on the official PIKA art website. Once you're in the website, look at the bottom right corner and click on the PIKA effects option. Here you'll see the various samples effect with available in PIKA. Then click the image icon to upload an image from your device. Choose the file you want to apply the PIKA effect to. Next, click the diamond icon to generate the effect. Let the PIKA process your image and create the effect based on your selected style. And that's it. Your PIKA effect is now successfully applied. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.